Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with a super cool product. This is from Naztech. This is the Naztech Volt Power Station that's got an AC outlet, and of course it'll back up battery, charge all of your other devices. It's got USB connections and all that good stuff. This thing is amazing. I just got done using this thing in the NEB show. It is what I'm now calling the tank, because it is a tank. It takes a long time to get through to burn this thing down with all the charging you've got to do with all your batteries and everything else. Works great for laptops, of course. You can plug it in, away you go. It's got a nice flashlight on it too as well, so that's really neat. This thing is super powerful. 27,000 milliamp hour battery. That is freaking huge. To give you an idea, a lot of major cell phones only have like a 3,300 milliamp hour battery. So that's like almost, what is that, like 10 of them, maybe 9 or 10 of them in here. It's got 3 high-speed USB ports, built-in AC outlet. You can plug in and power anytime from whatever you need to take and do. You've, of course, got the light on it. And let me tell you, this thing burns really slow when you're charging with it. It takes a long time for me to empty this whole thing out. And I've been taking it on events, and it just works really, really good. It's got world-class safety features. The adaptive fast charge, high power USB-C port. That's always good to have because everything's on the USB-C port. Power up and a flash. This thing is freaking awesome. I highly recommend it. Be sure to check it out. It comes with international wall connector socket adapters as well. And it's pretty quick to charge up, and away you go. Plug it in. I love this thing. It even won the CES Innovation Awards, a 2017 honoree. It is worth it. If you're going to buy a backup battery, just buy one. Spend your money on this. You'll be done. You won't need another one. It's great and easy to take everywhere with you. It's not too cumbersome. It is a little bit heavy, but, you know, for what it's going to get, you don't have to sweat running out of battery anytime soon, and it's going to do just such a great job for you. Like I said, I've nicknamed it the Beast, and it's probably our road backup battery from here on out. Normally when I take up and do shows and events and stuff, I take piles of backup batteries. We're just taking this now. So pretty awesome. Be sure to check it out. Go to Naztech.com. Tell them Chris Voss saying. Check out the Volt Power Station. I think you're going to love this thing, and you'll thank me in the end. Anyway, we'll see you next time.